Hi, this is Dr. Carter. Welcome to downtown Concord, New Hampshire, USA. It's June 21st, 2021. It's about 92 degrees, thus I am sweating profusely here. And what you're looking at right behind me is the dome atop the New Hampshire State Capitol building. What you're also looking at is the sun, and what you're going to see is a large scale model of the solar system. So for perspective, we have the sun here, which is our sun in this model is about 32 feet across. Compared to our actual sun, the actual sun is about 140 million times larger. And so everything, distances, sizes are all going to be 140 million to 1 approximately. Now this is not my model. This is done by an artist, a local educator, as part of a great sort of installation piece called Wander the Play. You can pick one of these up at the Concord, New Hampshire Chamber of Commerce, and we are going to be, like this explains, we are going to be doing some wandering. So if we look a little further, we're going to actually get to a place where this shadow casts a deeper hue on us, and we're going to see if we can compare the size of the sun in this model. Now, if we were actually this close to the sun in reality, we'd be getting, or in a scale model, we'd be really hot. Mercury's actually still a good distance out from here, and you'll see how long it takes us to get to Mercury while wandering this model. Ooh, sun's almost due west of us right now. It's about 3 something in the afternoon, so not surprising that it would be due west at this northerly latitude. There you go. And as you can see, there's lots of granite around here because there was lots of granite, makes some beautiful building stones. So as you can see, actually, yeah, the sun in this model is quite a bit larger than the sun in real life because Earth is quite a bit further from the sun than we are in the scale of this model. We're actually close to the Mercury now. So let's head out and find Mercury. Mercury, all right. All right, so here we are now about half a kilometer from the State House. This is photo taken at about the same zoom as the initial one we took much closer to the building. If the sun was 10 meters across, Mercury would be about 3.5 centimeters or 1.5 inches across by comparison. You know, we've traveled quite a considerable distance, and most of that has been empty space. Our next stop will be Venus, and hopefully you can compare the length of the journey. I will warn you, some of these journeys are a little bit circuitous because I get lost, but start to just take that into account. And here we are in White Park. Again, we're heading further west in Concord. Here's the sun viewed at the same, approximately same magnification we've had everything else on the here. And we're right below the basketball hoop. In fact, I think that little symbol there might be Venus. So we conclude that if the sun were about 10 meters across, which it is in our model, Venus would be 8.7, let's see, 10 meters or 10,000 meters, or 10,000, right, God. Yes. If the sun were 1,000 meters or 10 meters across, Venus would be 8.7 centimeters, or about 3 inches across. That makes Venus about the size of my thumb in diameter, which is pretty darn awesome here. So you can see we've been wandering for a while, and if we wanted to get to Earth, we'd have to wander quite a bit further. It's getting late. I got family that's going to worry about me if I stay out much longer, and my phone's being a little wonky, so hopefully, just from the short walk, you've gotten a little sense of how far away the planets really are when you start to try to build a scale model of the solar system. You start to get a sense of the sizes, shapes, and distances of things out in our solar system. And if you try to expand the galaxy, even the nearest star is going to be a long, long, long ways away at this scale. Most of space really is just that, empty space. So I'm going to wrap up this little lesson on distances in space and work on getting your orbital mechanics lectures up and running. And thank you for taking the time and joining me on this beautiful walk. I'll post one more video as I note how far out we are at various points for the other planets, and probably upload a lengthier version of this for before the end of the week. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope someday you get to come up here and wander this beautiful trail in your town, or build something like it in your town. Till then.